Hey everyone, this is Mr. De Vicente here and sending you this little short tutorial on how to select your students for recognition during our ELACs. And so if you want your students recognized during these awesome events, you want to go to your rosters that I sent you earlier today. And you want to look for your name here at the bottom. Click on your class roster. You want to click in this little box over here, and it will select all your kiddos. Select copy, go to your drive, select a new Google Sheet, and paste your roster here. And now you have your roster, and what you want to do is bring this little bar here down here so you can gather your students when you are going to send them to me. So let's say you want to select the student from your period 1. Just click the next, go to your period 2, select your student, go to period 3 or 4 and so on. When you're done, you want to go to this little drop down arrow, select it, and sort your column for Z through A, and you'll see that your students will all be gathered up here at the top. And what you want to do is just highlight student selected, select copy, open up the recognition list that I sent you guys, and all you do is paste your students there, and you're all done. Now I have all your students that you want recognized during our ELACs, and all it took was a few clicks. Thank you all for participating in our recognition events, and appreciate all you do for our students. Thank you.